it's Leah for part 2 of my camping videos, and today I'm doing a review on this survival can. And we used this in another video, but it turned into pretty much a blooper video. So now we're going to review this can that we used. And there was a foil blanket, but in the clip that you probably will watch, it didn't go so well, so the foil blanket is gone, and Lance's blanket is supposed to be meant as a blanket. So let's get started. In this can we have a candle. It's meant for like probably starting a fire or just to see in the dark. So there's that. Some headphones, earplugs, just in case like there's sand anywhere, or pretty much just sand. Don't get any sand in your ears because that could be very dangerous for you. We got this little multi-tool. Little multi-tool. It has little pliers in it. It has different knives as well. If I can get one of them out. This is like a nail file or something. Other knives. They're kind of dull a bit. They're not as sharp as probably the other ones would be. Except for probably this one. This one's sharp. And so it has a bunch of little stuff in it. So it's a good tool to have with you. So leave that here. Next we have a pencil. You can actually start a fire with a pencil by using the lead. It can be used to start fires, and just to write down any of your details of what you're doing if you ever get lost and just want to do something to keep yourself amused or something. So you get rescued. A fire striker, just to start a fire, and it's a good tool to have. It requires a lot of pressure and fast movements. So next we have a fishing string, and it's supposed to have fishing bait in it. That's probably what this little piece is right here. And it has fishing string, and probably will catch some fish with it. Next we have a handsaw to help cut down some trees to help you with a fire, or to just do anything with. We have a blade. Not really sure how to open this. A little blade here. And be careful because it is sharp. And that's what this is. This is a little handle. You can scrape stuff or cut anything. So that's that. This is a compass as well as a whistle. It can be very handy if you want to get people here. It has a little compass to see where you're going. And inside of it is a little mirror to flag down anybody or do anything with. And you can put stuff inside of it. We have 3 matches just in case you need it. So that's this whistle. And that is everything inside this little box. It's a good box to have, and just in case of emergencies. It's a really nice tool to have. So thanks for watching this video.